My name is Hanisa. I will present the first part of our presentation, which is background of the business and the business characteristic of company Bahrain and Jas Ram Sudan Berhad. First, I will explain about the background of the business. Bahrain and Jas Ram Sudan Berhad was established in November 2001 and has been operating for approximately 25 years. The company is located in Shah Alam, Selangor. The business operates as a partnership business with two partners, and the owner's capital contribute is 1 million ringgit. The company operates in the architecture and construction industry. The main business activity include interior architecture consultancy, general trading, and contractor services. The profit sharing ratio between the partners is 70% and 30%. So these are the background details of Bahrain and Jas Ram Sudan Berhad. Okay, so next I will explain the business characteristic of Bahrain and Jas Ram Sudan Berhad as a partnership business. So in terms of capital, as you can see, the business was started with an owner's capital of 1 million. For ownership, the company is owned by two partners who share the responsibilities manage the business. For management control, is handled by the partners, where they are involved to manage business operation and making important decisions. For liability, the partners are responsible for the obligations and responsibilities of the business. Profit and loss the business are shared between two partners based on the agreed ratio, which is 1% is 70% and the 1% is 30%. Okay, so the last point is the company also maintains accounting records to record its business transaction and financial activities. So this is show the main characteristics of this company, which is company Bahrain and Jas Sudan Berhad as a partnership business. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Engku Muhammad Rozam Iskandar bin Engku Ngazam Shah, and I will present the section on the company's capital and profit. Based on the interview, the company started its business with an initial capital of 1 million ringgit Malaysia. This capital was fully contributed by two business partners using their own funds without involving any external investor. The capital contribution was divided according to a 70-30 ratio. The first partner invested around 700,000 ringgit Malaysia, while the second partner invested 300,000 ringgit Malaysia. This ownership structure also reflects each partner's share in the business. The initial capital was used to purchase essential business assets such as office furniture, computer, air conditioner, and company vehicles. However, instead of purchasing expensive construction equipment such as crane and scaffolding, the companies chose to rent them whenever required. This strategy helps reduce the company's initial investment and operating costs. In addition to the partner's capital, the company also used bank financing as working capital to support daily operation. This includes purchasing construction material, paying employees' salaries, and covering other related expenses. Regarding profit, the company generates income mainly through construction projects.
Hi, my name is Nurul Fatihah binti Muhammad Fauzi. I am from NBH1D group. In this video, I'm going to talk about the company's main source of income and the operating main expenses. The question asked is, how does the company earn income and bill clients? The company earns income by providing construction and renovation services to the clients. Payments are based on agreed project values and clients are billed according to the work completed. In some cases, deposits are collected before the work project starts. What are the major expenses? Roughly 70% of the main expenses is for the project's raw materials and vehicles used in the project. Usually, they will rent a vehicle to their project and that will save them a huge amount of money. Other expenses will be employee salaries, utility bills, office operating costs, and transportation expenses. That's all from me and we are moving to the next one.
Payments are received using a progress billing system where clients make payments based on the completion stage of each project. The method helps maintain a stable cash flow throughout the project period. After deducting all operation expenses, the net profit is distributed between the two partners according to their agreed ownership ratio. Therefore, 70% of the profit is allocated to the first partner, while the remaining 30% is allocated to the second partner. In conclusion, proper capital management and a clear profit-sharing agreement have helped the company maintain financial stability and support its long-term business growth. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Nabila and I'm from NBH1D group. So today I will be presenting on how project costs are recorded and what the accounting software that used by the company. The process begins with a budgeted cost project where the company identifies the cost for every season. These calculations are completed by receiving the letter of award to ensure financial clarity from the outset. Once the budget is established, the profit margin is set by project. For example, in a project valued at 2 million ringgit, 80% is typically allocated for estimated project costs covering purchase material, labor, and site refurbishment, while the remaining 20% is designated as the estimated profit margin. When the project commences, the purchasing department is responsible for sourcing suppliers and conducting price comparisons. After confirming the details, all relevant quotations and documents are handed over to the account department for processing. The account department focuses on claim progress. They submit payment claims based on the actual work completed at the site, which is essential for maintaining the company's cash flow. Account department monitors all recorded costs against the predefined budget. This strict oversight ensures the project does not go over budget and, most importantly, protects the company's profit margin from being affected. All these cost-reporting activities are carried out using Infonet software. Okay, that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Sharifah Hayati binti Syed Marizan from Group NBH1D. Today I am going to explain this range of accounting. Based on the candidate answer, this range of accounting are: first, it is the backbone of a company financial operation. It maintains accurate and audit-ready records. Second, it gives a clear view of the company financial position to support management in decision-making. Third, it monitors income, expenses, and cash flow. It also ensures compliance with standards and policies. In short, accounting helps ensure the company's financial stability and long-term growth. Next, about the weakness of accounting. The weakness mentioned includes situations where work can be affected when documents are incomplete or not properly organized, which may require extra time to follow up and request missing information, especially during audit preparation. There is also a tendency to be very detail-focused, which can sometimes slow down the workflow in order to ensure accuracy. In addition, there may be challenges when dealing with difficult customers while chasing payment, as well as handling high-pressure situations during tight deadlines. However, these areas can be improved through better time management, communication skills, and experience. That's all from me. Thank you.